Hey, my name is Jennifer Turcotte with IGL Coatings. This is EcoCoat Headlight. Let's check it out. EcoCoat Headlight is a user-friendly ceramic coating system for all thermoplastics. It adheres to the surface on a molecular level and cross-links to create a glass-like finish with amplified shine and clarity with superb protection against oxidization and loss of clarity for up to 12 months. The temperature during the application should be in the range of about 41 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. In order to permit sufficient chemical bonding of EcoCoat Headlight to the substrate, the surface must be carefully cleaned of all contaminants before the application. It is highly recommended to polish the surface with an abrasive system to remove all hard bearing contamination on the surface. Use EcoCoat Wash to thoroughly remove all remaining residue on the leftover film of the surface. After you're done decontaminating, polishing, and drying the surface, you're going to take EcoClean Pre-Coat and you're going to spray it on the surface of the headlight so you can pull and dissolve any sort of leftover polishes or fillers that might be in the surface out. So when you apply the ceramic coating, it will adhere straight to the polycarbonate. Then you're going to coat the clean surface immediately after cleaning to prevent any contamination. When coating, keep the mixture unstirred. Place a few drops of EcoCoat Headlight on the provided applicator cloth and you're going to go in a crosshatch pattern on the headlight. Always ensure the areas coated are overlapping. Wait about 30 seconds to a minute and then buff off with a clean, dry IGL microfiber cloth. Allow the coating to cure about 1 hour, then apply the second layer and buff off within about 30 seconds to a minute with a clean IGL microfiber cloth. One important thing, do not let the film dry sporadically. If it dries within an hour, the film can be removed with a small amount of EcoCoat Headlight. If it has been allowed to harden with more than 12 hours, it will need to be polished off with an abrasive system and reapplied. You're going to want to air dry the coated surface after application for approximately 4 hours and avoid contact with water. The applied coating will fully cure in 3 to 5 days. Depending on this period, the surface should not be washed with any harsh shampoos, all-purpose cleaners, or any product containing caustic soda. This will damage the hydrophobic properties. If necessary, the coated surface may be washed with just normal water during this period. For more information, visit iglcoatingsusa.com or you can contact me directly at jturcotte@iglcoatingsusa.com.